How's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. Welcome to Accelerate Your Life channel. Alright, so on today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to set up a lightbox that shows up in your blog, so you can capture emails from people that are coming through, and then so you can send newsletter, or you can either like send your free course or get them subscribed to your list for any other purpose. So that's what we're going to see quickly. Before we do that, so thanks for joining. Again, on this channel we talk about all types of marketing online, ways to fulfill yourself through an online business. As well, we discover a bit of we talk about a mindset, any sort of tips, that can help you, go through your business challenges and different obstacles and so on. So if you're new, just make sure you subscribe, share the channel again with your friends, and let's make it a team. Let's build a team together to succeed online. All right, so without further ado now, so what we're going to do is share the screen. So what we're going to see here. All right, so like I mentioned on my last one of my last video, again it's on it's about Builderall and starting your blog using WordPress. So you see it now, it's my actual dashboard through WordPress that I accessed through Builderall. All right, so if you go back in, from my main the main dashboard for Builderall, this is what I find, and I can scroll over to WordPress. Three-click integration that takes me again through, I believe, this page, and then open admin, then I end up going onto this page. So now, so you're probably wondering when an actual window pops up in the middle of the screen when you're actually reading a blog. That's what I'm going to show you quickly. And what I did it through Mailoptin. So what you do is you're gonna have to go into plugins, add new on the sidebar, and then you will search for in this case I think I searched for Mailchimp. In that case, I think I managed to find it that way. There you go. So what I did is I actually integrated this one here, the pop-up Optin form email newsletter for Mailchimp, Aweber, and then all sorts of autoresponders that you might be using. So anything pretty much works on that one. So that's your first step. You would install it, right? So install now, then you would activate, and then obviously at this point you can see all your plugins. Into install plugins, you can verify if it's there in this one. Yeah, so there you go. So that's what it looks like. So you scroll over Mailoptin. So I'm only on that basic version. There's a premium as well, which gives you more analytics, more options when it comes to filtering the traffic that comes through. I think it blocks some bots and stuff like that too. So that could be cool. So you put your settings. It's something I'll have a look at, and I'll let you know if that's an option I'm going forward. So obviously you would put your settings here, and then actually what I did is so now what I did with this one, that's not email campaign, so you would set up most of that stuff here, but that's not what I want to show you quickly. It's the integration. So now to integrate your actual autoresponder with it, that's what you need to do here. So your API, so obviously it's blocked now, you don't see the whole thing. So you would find it into, let's say on my back office or Mailchimp, that's where I would find it, and I would need you would just simply need to go I believe you go into your profile. In this case, I think there's another way to get to it. Integration, API keys, and that's something you can create a new one that you say blog or whatever, and then you create a key, and that source of all those keys will appear at the bottom here, and then that's what you copy over to WordPress and a Mailtin plugin. You put that in there, and then that's what you get. And then now what you want to have is like the connected portion, so it's going to say not connected, and then now you want the connected portion, so now you can work and do all your setup with it. What I did, so Optin campaigns, so let's go into this email one. No, that's not the one. Let me check here. So to go, I went into Optin campaigns, and then you would scroll into like setting up a new lightbox like this. What I did is I set up this one here. blog, and that's what it's going to look like essentially, right? You know, subscribe for latest updates. You can modify the names by clicking on that and changing on this side to your first name, yes please, all that stuff. So you you simply want to update that, and that's what it's going to create. So it's going to generate let's see if I don't know if it's going to pop up, because I just went online, so it might not work, because obviously it recognizes that you've been there before. So I think I would need to clear the history, because obviously it's going to take a while before it comes back on again. So it would just show up on the screen, and then let the person opt in your address. So that's into your email essentially. So that's the only thing I wanted to show you. So quickly, what I did it through the Mailoptin plugin, and then Mailchimp, and that was the setup for it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to go quickly and to set up something that's feasible and that's not too hard to do. I had it, you know, I did it before, and then I forgot how to do it, and then I just got back into it. It took me about 10-15 minutes. So it's something that anyone can do. If you have any questions regarding that, make sure you put them in the comments. Again, that's it. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification as well, to be reminded of upcoming videos. And then thanks for watching, and then we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.